welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caitlin here, and today I am going to be doing a get ready with me video. So I am going to be doing my makeup, and while I do my makeup, we are going to chat about what's going on with the channel and a few different things that are really fun that I have going on. I have Penny here with me. She's all ready and excited to go for Halloween, and so am I, so that's primarily what we're going to be talking about today. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, let me scooch in a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. First, I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay foundation in shade Nude. It's the one that best matches my skin tone. And I'm going to put it on this beauty blender and start applying my foundation. Now, the first thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, kind of the spooky elephant in the room, which I don't know if I've addressed yet on my channel, but I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got my nose pierced recently. It's actually been about a month now since I got it done, and it's healing really well. If you hear squeaking in the background, my dog has a toy, don't be alarmed. But yeah, I got my nose pierced and I think it's super cute. I'm going back at the end of the month to get a shorter bar put in. Since it's been about a month now, the swelling has gone down, so now I can change it out. So I'm gonna be doing that at the end of the month. That's pretty exciting. But the main thing I wanted to talk to you guys about today is Halloween season, because as you know, it is now the end of June, so that means that it's practically Halloween season. At least in my mind it is anyway, and this time of the year is when a lot of stores start putting stuff out. If you guys have been watching me for a while now, you probably know that I love to go Halloween decor hunting this time of year, and what that entails is me driving around to different stores in my area, but mostly chain stores that, you know, are all over the country that pretty much anyone has. So I'll usually go to like Michael's and Joann's and At Home, places like that, Target, Walmart, to scope out the Halloween decor and see what is new for this year. And I usually go to each of those stores like once or twice a week to scope out what they have, see if they have anything new. However, this year I am not going to be doing that the same way. Don't be alarmed, I'm still Halloween decor hunting, but it's going to be a little less frequent than before, mostly just because the gas prices right now are so expensive. Where I live, gas is over $5 a gallon now, and because of that, I feel like I'm not financially like able to, you know, drive from store to store like constantly to go look at stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna make the videos, I'm still gonna go Halloween decor hunting, but it's just gonna be less frequent. So I know how I mentioned I usually go Halloween decor hunting like at the same stores, you know, like once or twice a week or like every 2 weeks, something like that. I'll probably only go once or twice throughout the whole season now. Specifically, I do want to go, and by the way, this is the Instant Age Rewind concealer that I'm just going to put under my eyes. Well, like specifically, oh, the sponge is broken off, so that's, I know, I'm a hot mess, but just applying it like that because the sponge is broken. Anyway, I'm just gonna go to, you know, At Home, Michael's, Joann's, probably once or twice. So what I'm trying to say is I'm still gonna Halloween decor hunt. It's still gonna be a lot of fun, but I'm just gonna go less frequently. It was just gonna be less frequent updates, pretty much. I was also thinking about, let me know in the comments if you would be interested. I might do some online Halloween decor hunting. I don't know exactly how fun that would be, but if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know and I can do that. Pretty much where I just go to stores' websites and see what's on there. Maybe I'll buy some stuff if I find anything cool. Okay, so now that my foundation and concealer is on, I'm going to go in with this ColourPop face palette, and I'm going to apply my contour, highlight, and blush. And I'm using this really old e.l.f. brush that doesn't even have a name. It's probably like 20 years old, but whatever you have. I definitely want to go do at home soon, because I've seen online a lot of people are saying that I'm just going in with this brown shade. A lot of people are saying at home is running behind this year, but they do have some stuff out, is pretty much the consensus, like spooky doormats, and there's a couple like tabletop decor pieces scattered throughout. If you guys remember, like this time last year, at home was like fully stocked pretty much, but I guess things are running late this year. I don't know if there's still like the shipping delays like before, but I guess at home is a little late this year. The at home near me is about a 40-minute drive from my house, so that's definitely a place I'm gonna go less frequently than last year. If you guys remember, I think I went at home like 4 or 5 times last year. This year I'll probably only go once or twice. So I might wait a week or two just to see if there's more out. So hopefully, you know, I don't drive all the way there and then they don't have anything. I definitely want to get a doormat. I definitely want to get a few new pieces for my coffee bar this year. I have a super cool idea for my coffee bar that I'm really excited about, how I'm going to decorate it this year. So hopefully I can find a few things that'll work for it. I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what my idea is yet, just because in case it doesn't come together or I can't find exactly what I'm looking for, I might change it. So I'm going to keep it a secret for now, but I'm pretty excited about it. I also want to go to Joann's soon, because I've decided that I'm going to actually make some throw pillows for my couch this year, some Halloween throw pillows, because I look every year at throw pillows from like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and everything like that, and I just never find something that I really like, so I never end up buying any. And because of that, I don't really have any throw pillows for my couch. The pillows behind me are actually for my bed, but I brought them out here today for the video just to add a little spooky flair since we're talking about Halloween. But yeah, I don't have any throw pillows for my couch, so I definitely want to make some this year. So I think there is going to be a video up very soon where I go to Joann's, check out the fabric. I do know that most Joann's have their fabrics out already, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a little Halloween decor hunt where I go look at fabric, and I'll show you guys the process of making my pillows and everything like that. I think that'll be a super fun and interesting video. Now my contour and everything is done. I'm going to next start on my eyeshadow. So I have this Essence Dancing Green palette. In case you weren't able to guess, all of the shades inside of it are green. So I think I'm gonna go in with probably these middle two and maybe this one. So definitely don't worry, guys, I'm still gonna be Halloween decor hunting this year. It's still gonna be a blast. We're still gonna find some great stuff. It's just gonna be a little different than before. Oh, and also these are Jeffree Star brushes. They're the Morphe X Jeffree Star brushes that they don't even sell anymore, but I bought them when they were on clearance. So that's what I have. This is just like a big fluffy brush, and I'm just blending the dark green that I pointed out to you, like above my crease. Now I have hooded eyes, so I always do my eye makeup higher than you know, the average person would, just because if I do it like in my actual crease, when my eyes are open, you won't see my makeup due to my hooded eyes. So That's why I do it like this, in case you were wondering. So anyway, back to my nose piercing. My nose piercing hurt when I got it done. The backstory with that is pretty much, it wasn't really an impulsive decision. I've been thinking about getting my nose pierced like on and off since I was a teenager, but I was kind of just scared to do it. And also, like, all the jobs I've ever had in my life, pretty much like frown upon like face piercings and stuff like that, so I never felt like I was able to get one. And actually currently right now I work in an office, but it's super chill in there, very like laid back. So there are a couple women I work with that have nose piercings, and I actually ran it by my boss and she said it was fine. So that's kind of what made me decide to get one. Now that I'm, you know, finally able to afford one, I have the money, I'm able to do it with my job, I decided why not. So that's why I decided to get it. Now I'm just going in with this metallic green shade above the dark green shade that we just used, and I'm gonna put that like on the inside of my eye. So I made an appointment probably like 2 months in advance to get my nose pierced, and then I finally got it done in I think it was late May, early June. I went to Black Cat Collective. It's a tattoo and piercing shop in Percy, Pennsylvania, which is not too far from where I live. So that's where I went. The process was pretty easy and pretty painless. I mean, it did hurt when the needle was going in for the first few seconds, but after that, it was pretty good. I haven't had any pain since then. I've been cleaning it regularly. There are a few crusties, you know, just because it's a piercing, but honestly, no pain. And I think it's healing great. Like, I'm not really like, obviously, like, I'm not a professional or anything. Like, I can't say that it's like healing great, but it's not infected, it's not irritated, it doesn't hurt at all, so I think it's going well. That's just how my eyes look now. I'm gonna take this bright metallic-y green over here in the corner. I'm gonna put it on the very inside of my eyes just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. Nothing else to really say about my nose piercing, other than, you know, it's healing fine, it's going great. The end of July will be about 2 months since I originally got it done. So like I said earlier, I go in and get a shorter bar put in, because they told me when you first get it done, they put in a longer bar because like your nose swells and everything from the trauma of the needle. And that extra bar room just kind of allows for like the nose swelling and everything like that. But since my since it's been 2 months and I'm healing, my nose is less swollen now, so they're going to switch out the bar to a smaller one. You know, one that doesn't like move around and everything like that. Next I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty brand gel eyeliner. Yeah, I have makeup all over my hand, sorry, but it's a gel eyeliner in this green shade. I don't know if it has a name. Okay, it's called Olive Oil. And I'm gonna put that in my waterline on both sides. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just did my underneath eyeliner. As you can see, I brought it down a little bit and I blended it outwards into my smoky eye. So that's how it looks. Next, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner and do a wing on the top. Other than that, guys, you know, Halloween decor hunting, we're gearing up for Halloween. For Halloween decor hunting, we're gonna do my coffee bar again this year. If you guys have any ideas or thoughts of Halloween themed videos you would like me to do this year, please tell me in the comments and I'd be more than happy to consider it. Let me know if you have any ideas for content. I kind of think it might be fun if I buy like a pumpkin and then either do a jack-o'-lantern or paint it with you guys, kind of like, you know, how this get ready with me is, but it's more like a get spooky with me, where we decorate pumpkin or carve a jack-o'-lantern, and then we kind of just talk through it and chill. I think that would be fun, and I've actually never seen anybody do that on YouTube. I don't even know if that's a thing, kind of just something I thought about. Let me know if you'd like to see that, because I think that would be interesting. Okay, here's my wings so far. I'm just gonna go in and do the other side now. Hey guys, so these are my wings done. Next, I'm just gonna take some mascara, go over my eyelashes. I'm using CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, waterproof, and it's the black color. I'm just gonna do my mascara, and then after that, we just have lips and we're done. As you guys can see, I had a little bit of a mascara situation, so I'm gonna go clean that up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I just want to tell you that I have some major beef with this mascara. I honestly don't even know if I would recommend it. So here's my problem. It makes your lashes look really nice when you put it on, but it literally takes like an hour for this to dry. Like, as you can see, just from like looking down and everything, it got like all over my face, which is a hot mess. And this mascara is supposed to be waterproof, but that came off way too easily with just water on a tissue. That, you know, it was down here and I just wiped it off with water and a tissue and it came right off. So how is that waterproof? I don't know. This mascara, it looks cute, but is it practical? I should have stuck with my Almay. I'm gonna touch up my concealer under my eye a little bit right there, just because it came off from the mascara situation. So just gonna go back in, put more on, blend it out, and then I will be right back to finish the lips and the whole look. Hey guys, I'm back. Last thing I'm gonna do is apply lips today. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Grim. It is this gray beige taupe kind of deal, and I really like it. I really like it because it's like a neutral color, but it's also a little bit spooky, and it goes with like any eye look pretty much. So I'm just gonna put that on real quick. Okay everybody, this is my finished look. I have my whole face done now, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, like I said, there's more spooky content coming throughout the summer and gearing up for fall, so keep an eye on that. I will see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.